Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we are here with another ROI platform that can stake BNB and you can get rewards in BNB, guys. This project is new as well as good on. So without any hesitation, let's get into the video, guys. Today's topic will be CZ Kitchen. Hope you all know about who is CZ. CZ is Binance CEO. You all know that CZ is Binance CEO, BNB CEO. Okay, so for that only they made the project CZ Kitchen, but this project is not open from CZ side. Okay, it's for somewhat companies. Okay, so the project name is CZ Kitchen. By staking BNB, we are getting BNB rewards. It's similar like baked beans. You all know about baked beans because everyone invested in baked beans and make a lot of money. And right now, this project also similar like baked beans, guys. Okay, so everybody invested in baked beans. So this is another one like baked beans. Okay, CZ Kitchen, the first ever BNB miner ecosystem that combines a treasury, P2E, NFT, and an incubation program, guys. So a lot of things on the way in this CZ Kitchen. So don't miss it out. So right now the contract balance have 2,576 BNB, guys. It's launched one day before. Right now 2,500 BNB is available in this contract balance, and remaining it's showing in my balance. And if you want to enter the kitchen, you have to deposit your BNB here and click on enter the kitchen deposit. If you want to reinvest, higher chef, click on compound. Okay, if you want to withdraw, you can devour dishes, climb. Okay, so this CZ Kitchen is giving 8% daily return, guys. Okay, if you are putting 100 BNB, you will be getting 8 BNB daily, guys. Okay, this is what the return. So the APR will be 2,920% they are giving. Okay, so the deposit fee will be 8%, guys. When compared to this baked beans and all, the deposit fees will be higher this one, because baked beans have this 2% deposit fee, but here they are having 8%. Okay, treasury balance is 0. Okay, so this is what the referral ID, guys. I'll share the referral link in the description, so don't miss it out. Just check the project, do your own research. If you feel like worthy, you can invest in this project, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. This is a new project, and for the referral you are getting 12.5%. Okay, for example, if your friend is joining with my referral link with 100 BNB, I will be getting 12.5 BNB. Okay, guys, this is what the referral link will work. The kitchen ecosystem. Okay, so the marketplace is on the way. Okay, purchase and sell your unique master chef NFTs. NFT marketplace is on the way, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. It's coming soon. And incubator, on board with our incubator, and again benefits for both your token and the kitchen. That incubator is also on the way. And play to earn, games to earn your crypto and benefit the kitchen. That's also on the way for this ROI platform, guys. This is the first platform that coming. This P2E incubator marketplace, everything is coming in this ROI platform. And Twitter page, everything is available. Twitter, website, Discord, Telegram, everything is available. We will check the Twitter page, guys. Okay, this is the Twitter page I'm opening right now. Yes, guys, this is the official Twitter page of CZ Kitchen. Okay, right now 1,200 followers is available. Okay, head chefs and BNB repeat became a master chef and 8% daily, guys. This is what the thing. So recent airdrop post winners from the CZ Kitchen. So CZ recent videos, everything is here. Okay, CZ's recent videos, passive income, everything is given here, guys. Okay, it's a great thing. This is the recent old post. Okay, so this is the official Twitter page, guys. So come back. Okay, guys, this is official website. So check it out, guys. Do your own research before getting into any project. This kind of ROI platform is easy to make money in this market situation. So don't miss it out. Just check it. All the details a white paper, everything. Then if you are okay with the investment, then you can invest with my referral link, guys. Okay, so before investing in any project, I would suggest you all the people, just do your own research, okay, because crypto is highly market volatile, you all know that, and do your own research and make your entry in crypto, guys, and make profit with us. Okay, so don't miss it out, guys. Okay, this could be the another baked beans, so just make it simple and with profit, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you so much.